welcome back to DIY Life, where we do it ourselves. I'm going to show you how to make a hanging bird bath for under $15. Before we get into the video, I want to let you guys know that we do have a Facebook page now at DIY Life 22. You can go ahead and go on over there and follow us and like our page. You'll be able to see our updates, announcements, and new releases as soon as they pop off. For this project, I will be using a 12-inch wreath form. I found this at the Dollar Tree. A glass pie dish. I found this one at Walmart. I picked up a little package of these stones for accessories at the Dollar Tree, and a plant hanging chain at Walmart. And also you will need some kind of pliers or wire cutters. This project turns out to be a little under $15. The first thing I'm going to be doing is removing the inside center wire ring. I'm going to take my pliers and bend these hooks open to get the inside ring out. And I'm going all the way around the wreath. Once you have the hook open, you can then remove the ring and lay it to the side. Now that I have the inside of the ring removed, I'm going to flatten these hooks back down. Before using my pie dish and the stones, I did rinse them with Dawn dish soap, that way to remove any residue or any chemicals that might be harmful to the birds. Originally, I was going to glue the stones to the bottom of my pie dish. However, while placing the stones on my pie dish, I wasn't really into the style or the look, so I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to be using this rustic American Accents Stone Light spray paint, and I'm going to spray paint the outside of my pie dish with this to give it a stone-like texture. Now that I have it painted, I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. I did go ahead and spray my wire with the Rust-Oleum spray paint. I let them set outside and dry for about 25 to 35 minutes. Now that I have the wreath and the dish complete and decorated how I want, I'm going to pie dish inside the metal wire. And you can see that it fits perfectly. Just for fun, I'm going to add my stones inside the bird bath. I did a little research about birds while creating this project because I do want my bird bath to be comfortable for the birds. In the research, I found that birds like the water in their baths to be 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water. So now that I have the dish and the wire situated, it's time to add the chain. To add the chain, I'm going to use my pliers to bend the wire flat. Next, take your chain, slip it over the wires. I want to make sure that my bird bath has the right amount of support, so I'm adding a third chain. Together, it's ready to hang outside for the birds. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more DIY. See you guys next time.